What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Second Take, where I talk tech and I speak sports. Today's topic of the day is sneakers.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. Now, today's topic is Puma. I literally got these 2 minutes ago and I was in the middle of recording, so I decided to put everything to the side and do an unboxing because I really like these. Now, these are called the Puma GV Special New York City Edition. I had to have them because I'm from New York City, so I had to have them. Puma has really become one of my top shoes when looking for sneakers. I'm starting to like a lot of the Pumas, and I have a lot of the Pumas right now, but this one is really near and dear to my heart because it's that New York City edition. That box looks dope. Look at that art they did right there. Obviously, that's One World Trade there. You got the Empire State Building, it looks like. Yeah, a lot of different, but it's got a texture too, man. That's not just like cheapo box, man. That's a really nice texture. Got the side, got the little Puma, got the back side, Empire State. Then you got that side. So let's look what these look like inside the box. I haven't opened these yet, so this is fresh impressions. Let's get one sneaker out, get the other sneaker out, throw the box to the side. Obviously, we'll take a quick look. These look fresh. I'm liking these. All right, let's put one sneaker to the side and go over what the sneaker looks like from all angles. All right, so on the outsole, these just feel so nice. These feel so fresh, and these are definitely screaming springtime, which it is springtime. But I like this. You got the sole is white. You don't even just have the Puma. You got the actual Puma branding with the name on the side. You got the blue with the white, and then they got a silver. And then right there, check it out, Puma NYC Special. On the back, check out the Statue of Liberty. That looks dope. On the insole, same as the outsole. Looks like they gave me one with a couple of marks there. I might have to call them. All right, it came off. And on the toe box, nice breathability with a lot of holes there, perforation. On the tongue, got that Statue of Liberty crown again in blue and white with the red Puma symbol. On the inside of the sneaker, got New York City. And this is Puma 2020. The bottom, got more Puma brand in there. Looks like almost like a kind of clear gel kind of sole. The tongue feels like a cool leather. Nice little leather here. The laces, just pure white. And I like when they do things like this, details. The aglets, they got the little metal tips on them. That's something that I really appreciate in everything, in clothing and sneakers and shoes and jackets, everything. If you get the details right, man, you're gonna get me to buy it. You're gonna have a customer. And then the eyelets, they didn't go anything, no silver, nothing, just a straight hole right through. We'll put these on in a little bit, see what the comfort feels like. These are dope. Shout out to everybody rocking with Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify, as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you in the next one.